Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We've got about 24 hours before something huge happens for XRP, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. And we've got one analyst is saying that by 2030, XRP could hit $1,000. That's like a 300x. That's like a 3000x from where we are now. That's insane. That's crazy, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more in this video. I'd love to hear your opinion. And don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to share this content. And if you want to support the channel, give us super thanks out there. I would appreciate it. And we're going to start doing charity videos right now soon. So far, we've collected around about $60. I want to thank Ambassador Scott Gibbs yesterday in the live stream. They supported the channel by giving super thanks. Thanks, guys. Thanks very much. I appreciate it. And let's jump into content without any further delay out there. Big shout out to all the new subscribers out there as well. Much love out there from the OG in-house. So let's take a look at what's going on in crypto right now. So far, let me just give this a minute to refresh, make sure we got all the updated information out there for you. So far, we are seeing, let me just make this a little bit smaller. Let's see, can we make it smaller? Cannot. Okay, so we're seeing that the Bitcoin right now is 118,000. Ethereum is doing pretty good. XRP is down as well, 0.39% at 312. But I think we're seeing a general cooling off for most of the cryptos right now, and that is because we're waiting for the FOMC that's going to happen in about 24 hours. And, it is my opinion only, but I think there's a 100% chance that we're going to see a rate cut. And if that happens, we are going to see this completely change, and it's going to be deep green out there. So I think that's going to be huge. I think we're going to get a big pump coming pretty soon out there. Also, we're seeing crypto bubbles pretty much flat. Everything is just kind of wait and see attitude of what Jerome Powell is going to do. And I think even Donald Trump is like saying, Jerome Powell, you got to do something. So, guys, breaking news. We could see this analyst saying $1,000 XRP. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about that? Do you think it's absolutely bananas, or is it something that could happen by 2030? I'd love to get your opinion on that. So far, we're seeing the market cap right now is at 3.88 trillion. That's down a little bit. We're seeing fear and greed is at 63, and altcoin season we're still only at 39. We were like 43 earlier, but we kind of slid back a little bit out there. But I think altcoin season is going to come, and we're going to see all of these altcoins are going to pump like crazy. And if you're wondering what an altcoin is every other coin except Bitcoin. Okay. So we're going to see things starting to pump like crazy, guys. So it's insane. Meme coin wise, we're still seeing that Dogecoin is still the number one meme, followed by Shiba Inu, Pepe, Pudgy Penguins, Bong. Official Trump right now is at 944, and SPX 69 and Floki. So these are kind of like the main. And we got Farcoin out there. Okay, Farcoin's out there. So we're still seeing that nothing is really happening. But once we start to see the meme coins pump, this is usually an indication that retail is back. So we're seeing XRP is at 312 right now. So far, XRP is trading around 312 right now and holding a support near 320. So this is incorrect, right? But I think XRP is going to pump soon, guys, and I think it's going to happen once we get the announcement. We're seeing Dogecoin right now is trading at 222 cents out there, and it's just been going down, kind of sideways. Nothing too much is happening. Don't forget, we got FOMC happening. FOMC is happening today at 2 p.m., guys. So that's around about 12 to 13 hours away, guys. So let's take a look at the chart, what's going on. So right now we are seeing that overall Bitcoin is just going sideways. Nothing much is really happening for Bitcoin out there. We are seeing that the performance on the monthly is still at 9%, but overall we're seeing the technical indicators for Bitcoin is still a strong buy. I'm still buying Bitcoin out there. We're seeing that also XRP is just going sideways on the hourly. It's just building up out there, and I think that we're going to hit all-time highs soon again once we get these rate drops, and definitely we're going to get these rate drops. Just a matter of time before that happens out there. So I really think this is a good time to accumulate. We had this huge channel here. We've got some good support, around $3, guys. And as long as we don't break down from that support, XRP will continue on. And I think everybody, once again, is just waiting and waiting for the announcement from Jerome Powell for the rate cuts out there. So that is what's going on. That's kind of where we are today with crypto and what is happening out there. So let's jump into the news. What is going on? Dogecoin did break down and did hit the support level around about 21 cents. We did bounce off from that, so that's pretty good out there. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's absolutely keep an eye on that. Now, Dark Defender, he's come in and said, I shared a weekly structure aiming $3.61 in July, on 6th July. Here's the daily chart of that wave structure. Okay, so what he's kind of saying, he's saying it's clear that XRP completed this wave structure 1, 2, and 3. Okay, wave 4 is in progress. This is Elliott wave theory, in case you're wondering what it is. Also reflects the wave 4 consolidation. So he's saying that the wave 5 target is expected to be at $5.85. Okay, so I think that's doable. I think that we're going to see a $5 target coming in, and so the targets are 361. So once we can get past the 361, then we have a good chance of getting 585, according to Elliott Wave and Dark Defender. So remember, we have good support around $3. He's saying 307. I think it's more like $3, but overall, still looking good. Keep in mind that $3 level has to hold, and has to hold strong. Rumors: the SEC will announce the end of Ripple case next week. Prepare for major freaking news out there for Ripple out there. So it looks like CNBC just confirmed live on TV that the U.S. will release a report on strategic Bitcoin reserve tomorrow. So it's happening, guys. Let's just listen to this quick. It's happening. It's absolutely happening. This is good news for crypto.
The Trump administration is expected to release its first national crypto stockpile report on Wednesday, stateside, detailing the structure and contents of the government's digital assets. This includes holdings under the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve and the U.S. Digital Asset Stockpile, which consists of cryptocurrencies seized through legal enforcement actions. Investors are...
So this is positive news for crypto, that Bitcoin Reserve is going to happen. It's going to bring more eyeballs into crypto. Guys, go down there, check out my link. Check out my link to Blowfin, one of the best exchanges out there. They've got leverage trading, they've got copy trading, and they've got a trading bot. Sign up for my free trading bot right now. And guys, if you're still watching, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to give super thanks, support the channel out there. We're collecting for a new charity out there. So yeah, guys, this is it. Finally, a realistic price prediction we can all trust and believe. Listen to Dom Kwok on the floor of the New York Exchange with his first and only XRP production. So Dom Kwok is saying this about XRP. Listen in, guys.
This is the first time I'll say it, but I think XRP is heading to $1,000 by 2030.
XRP is heading to $1,000 by 2030. To $1,000 to $1,000
wow.
to $1,000 by 2030.
Actually, probably one of the most important projects out there at the moment.
Okay, so
this is the first time I'll say it.
So guys, comment. Dom Kwok is saying that $1,000 XRP by 2030. Do you believe it or not? Let me know in the comments out there. I appreciate it. I would absolutely appreciate it, guys. Also, this is the article that came out. XRP price prediction. Goldman Analyst calls $1,000 to $1,000 by 2030. So Dom Kwok just made that. That's a 31,444 price jump out there, guys. So guys, tell me what you freaking think about that. Is this hyperbole? Is this bupkis out there? It could happen if we get all the catalysts. We get all the banking licenses done, the SEC case done, all the institutions, and if XRP is used as a medium exchange, cross-border transaction for banks, it definitely could happen out there. So this is great news. Let's jump into Doge right now. So Doge recent structure isn't too far away. We could see a breakout soon for Doge, so I'm looking forward to that, guys. So be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Don't forget to smash likes and subscribe. YB, peace out.